Once upon a time, a young man named Sam lived in a big, noisy city. Every day felt the same. The streets were crowded, the cars were loud, and Sam always felt tired and stressed. His mind was like a storm because he kept thinking about the past and worrying about the future. At the end of every month, his wallet was empty, and he felt trapped in the same life. One day, Sam met a friend who looked calm and peaceful. Curious, Sam asked how he could be so happy. The friend shared three simple ideas. First, he said to focus only on the present moment. He told Sam a story about a man carrying a full glass of water. When you focus only on the step you are taking, there is no space for fear. Sam began to practice this while doing simple things, like washing dishes slowly and paying attention to what he was doing. Second, the friend told Sam to save just 1% of what he earned every day. It sounded small, but Sam started putting one coin into a jar each morning. Soon he noticed how many little things he used to waste money on, and the jar slowly began to fill. Third, Sam started writing a short weekend diary. Every Sunday night, he wrote three simple sentences about his week, which helped him feel calm and ready for the days ahead. At first, these habits felt small and unimportant, but over time, they changed him. Saving a little money gave him control, and focusing on the present made his mind peaceful. He even began exercising on Sundays to feel stronger. After many months, Sam's life was still simple, but he had become a different person. He finally understood that real discipline does not come from big promises. It grows quietly from small choices made every single day. And the biggest change was not in his bank account, but in his heart and mind.